Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to fix menu link colors on single-page navigation in the Divi theme. Divi makes it easy to create single-page websites where menu links guide users to different sections of the same page. This feature is great for navigating long pages and giving users a smooth browsing experience. However, you may have noticed that the menu link colors don't always behave as expected. In Divi's default header, links that point to the current page are highlighted. On a single-page site, this means nearly all menu links can end up highlighted, which can be confusing for your visitors. Fortunately, there are simple solutions to fix this issue. You can use the Divi Booster plugin or custom CSS to adjust the link behavior. Let's dive in and explore how you can make your menu links intuitive and user-friendly. To understand the issue with menu link colors in Divi's single-page navigation, let's take a look at a common example. Imagine you're on the Visit Us page and you click on the Hours section. What happens is that all menu links remain highlighted. This is because they all point to the same page, which is currently active. The exception here is the Hours link itself, which is marked as visited and turns black. This behavior can feel counterintuitive, as it's the reverse of what you'd typically expect. Normally, you'd want the most recently clicked link to stand out, while the others display in more neutral colors unless hovered. To get a clearer picture of the issue, refer to the visual example shown here. It highlights how this default behavior can appear confusing to users on a single-page site setup. In this part of the tutorial, we'll explore how to fix the menu link colors in Divi's single-page navigation using the Divi Booster plugin. Divi Booster is packed with hundreds of features specifically designed to enhance the functionality of Divi, and one of them allows you to easily resolve the navigation menu link color issue. Let's walk through the steps to enable this feature for your site. To get started, you'll need the Divi Booster plugin. This plugin offers hundreds of features designed to enhance the Divi theme, including the one we're covering in this tutorial. If you don't already have Divi Booster, you can purchase it now. Once you've completed your purchase, you'll receive a file called divibooster.zip. Make sure to download this file to your computer, as we'll use it for installation in the next step. If you've already purchased Divi Booster, you can access and download the plugin file from your Divi Booster account. Now that you have the Divi Booster plugin file downloaded, let's go ahead and install it on your site. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Plugins section, then choose Add New. From here, click on Upload Plugin. Next, you'll see an option to upload a file. Click Choose File, locate the Divi Booster zip file on your computer, and select it. Once you've done that, click Install Now. After the installation is complete, you'll need to activate the plugin. Simply click the activation button and Divi Booster will be ready to use, with the feature seamlessly added to Divi. With Divi Booster activated, the next step is to access its settings. To do this, go to your WordPress dashboard and look for the Divi option in the left-hand menu. Click on it, and under the Divi menu, you'll see an option labeled Divi Booster. Select it, and this will open the Divi Booster settings page. Here, you'll find a range of settings that can be applied globally across your Divi site. Within the Divi Booster settings, navigate to the Header section and then select Main Header. Here, you'll find several options for customizing your default Divi header. Look for the option labeled Fix Menu Link Colors on single-page navigation and check the box next to it to enable it. Once this is activated, the setting automatically adjusts the classes applied to your menu items, ensuring they use the colors already defined in your menu settings. This means there's no need to manually configure any additional colors. Once you've enabled the desired option in the Divi Booster settings, don't forget to save your changes. To do this, simply click the Save Changes button at the top of the settings page. This will ensure that the updated settings are applied to your site. Now that you've made the changes, it's time to check your menu on the front end of your site. You should notice that the link colors are now much more intuitive. Links will display your menu's neutral text color by default, and they'll change only when hovered over, creating a clearer and more user-friendly navigation experience. If you're comfortable working with code, you can fix the menu link colors by using CSS. This method allows you to fully customize the styles of your menu items, creating a color scheme that feels more intuitive and user-friendly. Let me show you how to do it. To access Divi's theme options, start by going to your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand sidebar, locate the Divi menu option and click on it. From there, select Theme Options in the submenu. This will take you to Divi's theme options, where you can manage a variety of settings to control the overall behavior of your site. Next, navigate to the General tab within the Divi theme options. This tab provides access to Divi's main site-wide settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll find a section labeled Custom CSS. This is where you can add your own CSS code, which will work alongside the default styles provided by Divi. In the Custom CSS box, you'll need to add some code to fix the single-page navigation link colors. This particular snippet will make the unhovered links display in black, while hovered links will turn blue. Of course, you can modify these colors to match your site's design. You can find the full code snippet in the accompanying post, so feel free to copy it from there. Once added, this CSS will ensure your navigation links behave intuitively for your users. Once you've added the CSS code, don't forget to save your changes. To do this, simply click the Save Changes button, which you'll find at the top or bottom of the Divi Theme Options area. This will ensure your updates are applied to your site. After saving your changes, head over to the front end of your site to see the results. You should notice that the menu links now behave as expected. Only the link you hover over will be highlighted, while the others remain neutral, creating a much cleaner and intuitive navigation experience. We've covered 2 effective ways to fix the link coloring on Divi's single-page navigation menu, using the Divi Booster plugin or custom CSS. Both options offer a straightforward solution to improve your menu's design and functionality. Hopefully, this tutorial has helped you enhance the user experience on your single-page site. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments.